I have tried to be as present as possible in our destinations and for our stakeholders. That is the extent of the duty that I have exercised and nothing more. I have no national ambition. I'm not running for any national position. And therefore, any accusation of self promotion would fall flat because I am not running for any national position in 2028. And therefore, there would be no reason for me to promote myself.
I-
Um,
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm not saying that you're running. Don't put words into my mouth. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, yung po nakakalata yung mga tao na parang pinopromote yung sarili mo for whatever reason. Now, also, ma'am, compared to other countries like Vietnam, Korea, Malaysia, uh, Japan, hindi niyo po nakikita yung mukha ng mga secretaries ng Department of Tourism nila doon eh. Wala. Never ka makakita sa tourist materials ng kahit anong bansa na banggit ko, yung kanilang Secretary of Tourism, pinopromote yung mga muka ng mga pictures nila.